I'm Zainab, I'm here at London Fashion Week. Let's show you around. As a presenter and content creator, London Fashion Week is a hectic, busy time for me. I get to do special screenings, premieres, runways and catwalks of amazing designers, and I live for the chaos. Where should we start from? We're here looking at the outfits I'm gonna be wearing. This is the first look. It's actually thrifted. I do a lot of thrifting. So you see me kind of flip some thrifted projects. So I either cut them, put them together, and I think that's really important, sustainability within fashion. Being from Indian and East African, Kenyan, Tanzanian descent, the ideas of having so many different cultures, so much diversity in one, so much going on at the same time, mixing all these cultures, is great to be around. We're heading to one of BFC's citywide London Fashion Week events. Let's go! Lunch on the go, classic Fashion Week. Events like this are absolutely fascinating because I'm here with friends, I'm here with colleagues, people I love and know, and I get to meet new people and feel inspired day by day. Events like this are right up my street. Teach me. That is amazing. I'm at the Stefan Cook show. It's about to start. Let's go. I absolutely love looking at upcoming and new designers. I think it's really important to inspire people, and I think that's the best bit about Fashion Week.